In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel orders on Facebook Marketplace without it hurting your seller metrics. As a seller, it's crucial to maintain your standing and metrics to ensure a smooth and successful selling experience on Facebook Marketplace. Let's dive into some best practices and tips that will help you manage order cancellations effectively. First, acting quickly is key. Facebook allows a grace period where you can cancel an order without any impact on your metrics. Typically, this window is around 30 minutes from when the buyer places the order. So, if you realize there's an issue soon after the order is placed, make sure to act swiftly to minimize any potential impact on your seller profile. Next, open communication with your buyer is essential. Before rushing into a cancellation, it's best to message the buyer, explain the reason, whether the item is out of stock, was damaged, or perhaps there was an error in your listing. If the buyer agrees to the cancellation, it acts as a safeguard for your metrics by demonstrating that the cancellation was mutually agreed upon. Another tip is to kindly ask your buyer to cancel the order from their end. This method is often the safest, as cancellations initiated by the buyer generally don't affect your seller metrics. A polite request, explaining the situation candidly, might be all it takes to encourage the buyer to initiate the cancellation. In cases where you must cancel the order yourself, go to Facebook's Commerce Manager and navigate to the Orders section. Locate the particular order you need to cancel and click on Cancel Order. During this process, it's important to choose the correct reason for canceling. Facebook pays close attention to your reasons, so select options such as buyer requested cancellation whenever possible, as this reason typically keeps your metrics intact. Be cautious in choosing options like out of stock or item unavailable, as these might negatively impact your seller metrics. To prevent these situations from arising in the first place, consider some proactive measures. Always shipping on time can prevent cancellations from being counted against you. If you sell on multiple platforms, turning on inventory sync can help avoid overselling. Additionally, if you sell items outside of Marketplace, quickly mark them as sold to prevent any confusion. Also, make it a habit to keep all communications within Messenger or Marketplace. This way, Facebook can verify any consents or agreements made with the buyer, further securing your standing as a reliable seller. Finally, remember the golden rule: if the buyer cancels the order, your seller metrics remain unaffected. However, if you initiate the cancellation, it may impact your metrics unless it's done swiftly or marked as buyer requested. By following these guidelines, you'll not only manage cancellations more effectively, but also maintain your reputation and metrics as a trusted seller on Facebook Marketplace. Happy selling!